So, hello everyone. Welcome to another video on this channel, right? So, thank you for always being here watching these videos. I know you just take off a few minutes of your time to watch the videos. And to the guys who have been trading, we keep grinding every week, right? Yeah. I'd like to thank also the guys in the tutor group or in the private group. Everyone is trying out, and it's really amazing how you guys are busting different prop farms. Yeah, it's really amazing. Mark and the group, Suri, Harold, Suri, Diego, and the rest. It's really amazing how everyone is trying out to get out of this matrix. Yeah. So I've decided to change the appearance of how my charts look like. I remember I've had the other style for years since I began trading, so many years. And yeah, I just decided to give it a new appearance, black and white. And I believe these things won't chase me. You know, you can change the appearance and you just start bagging losses. But I believe it's a great appearance in there. And you shall be using this for now. It looks really nice though. So this week we're trading GBPSD. We kind of had a ranging week, as I'm going to show you people. We kind of had a ranging week in there, but it didn't stop us from making some profits. Yeah, I literally flipped an account, really amazing balance, and it was one of the accounts I was trading. I just flipped that account simply by just one trade. Yeah, I posted a screenshot for those who are not in the private group. For those who are not in the private group, I posted it in the general group. Yeah, it was really amazing. So the screenshot is really there. So if you're not in any of these groups, you can check for the link in the description. That will take you to either the channel or the group. Yeah. And if you haven't signed up with Paperstone, you're not using the right broker. Paperstone is the best broker for you guys who trade Forex. Yeah. And crypto is soon to be introduced. So if you haven't signed up with Paperstone, just check for the link in the description. So without wasting much time, you can see this is the position we were in on GBPSD. This is the position this is where the wick begins from, ranges to the upside, comes back to where it begins from. And as we always say, GBP will always try to close where the wick begins from if there are no fundamentals affecting it. And you can see how the wick just closes in there. But this sell is the sell that we got, and it really gave us some good profits. Then we got this sell to yesterday while we were on the live. Then we got a buy trade today. So basically, let me just show you people the trades that I took. Now, some trades have been adjusted, guys. Some trend lines and some confluences have been adjusted. But I don't normally set take profits with this tool. I just see how the market is reacting and I close out profits. Or I set target for the day and know that it's time for me to jump out of such a trade. Yeah. So I took a loss yesterday on this market. I think I removed the setup, but I'm going to just show you people how it was. So the market starts here on Tuesday, and it's really an amazing day. Was it Tuesday or Wednesday? Okay, this was Tuesday. This was Tuesday, then Wednesday. We're in profit from Tuesday to Thursday. Yeah, holding a trade. Then Thursday yesterday, we tried to get the reversal and stopped out, but we happened to identify the mistake during the live that we had with the guys in the mentorship group. Then we got a trade in there that cashed out, and then we got a buy in that also cashed out. Now, most of my trades, I normally don't set take profit. I just, when I feel the market is printing something, I jump out of that market. That's why, but stop losses, I send them to the group. So let's begin by this trade that was so nice. You can see the structure up here is so good. Yeah. Now, there's one thing I always grind with my trades. I don't chase the markets. I wait for it to come back to my zone. Sorry about my voice. But you can see that the simple trend lines that people neglect, you can see how the trend line is rolling up. Then it's broken and it keeps bouncing around there actually. Let me just adjust this trend line. You can see that it breaks, but it keeps bouncing. It's coming back to an area of value. And you can see that on the left, we have a resistance area. If you stretch it to the right, we have that strong resistance area. And you can see that These are the confluence. First was this one. I saw Ernest got this trade immediately at the breaker retest, but then I saw this market from around here and I wanted to short it. But later on, I started just adding positions. Yeah. Just neatly placed positions as you saw the screenshot. And when the market reached up here, it gave me more confirmations to sell this market. And I milked it all the way down to around here. Though the next day Asian session, it gave us this other touch of this trend line. This was a touch, but this was, I've just adjusted this trend line to take in more points, but I can slightly reduce it. Let me just see. Yeah, I want to show people something. So you can see how I wanted to just get in this touch, which gave me this other touch for me to short this market. And I just kept adding positions from here, then here, because this was like a pullback. So when I saw this M pattern and 1, 2, 3 candles, this candle giving me a lot of momentum, I just kept holding my trades, yeah, up to the downside. And this is where I was planning to take a buy from, but we didn't get any confluences. Now trend lines have been adjusted, yeah. Trend lines have been adjusted on this market, but there's a trend line running up and we expected a W pattern to form, which didn't. The trend line instead was broken with retest and the market dipped. But later on, I'm not talking about the strategy. I'm just doing simple technical analysis on all these setups that I'm showing you people. Yeah, just simple technical analysis. Let's look at this. So the market comes in and gives us a W pattern, and we are looking to short again from up. Now, this is the trade which we lost. It was this trade. So we are looking to short the market from this area. I and so many people in the private group were shorting this market, but we didn't take, of course, our confluences were right. We had like 4 confluences around here, but we didn't see this. There's a break of structure here to show us that this was the last high that the market formed. And you can see how the market just came. There's a divergence here. Of course, our buy would have been here. I saw Herod got into that one, but we neglected that and we're just looking to short because of this trend and that was still running around. And of course, it gave us a reason to short from around here. We're in profit, but then in later started pulling back, hit stop loss. Now, when we did our analysis yesterday again, we realized the market was repeating these patterns here. Yeah, you see this pattern, this candlestick pattern in here, this engulfing and this engulfing. This was a simple trade that we all missed out. And you can see how the wicks are just there. This wick is there. Let me just delete this box. I know you've understood the concept. This wick is there. And you can see the same wick is here. And that's how the market was moving. Engulfed it and went to the upside, formed an M pattern on this trend line and dropped. So in the evening, we're in the live session and we saw a clear chart pattern, which was a head and shoulders. And that's the reason why we decided to short this market. Take profit was supposed to be at this low of the week. And the next day comes in and the market starts ranging the same exact way as here. So that's my reason why I sent out this buy. Just simple technical analysis. Yeah. Look at this W pattern. Look at this W pattern. The slight divergence is there. And you can see how the market pulls back to the 61.8 area here. Same thing here. Pushes to the upside, touches there. Pushes the upside, touches there. Drops and gives us one more entry, which was supposed to be this, but the news was still flashing. And you can see how it rallied again to give us this last point in here. These are the last points, which later turned into the killer. Now, I moved out from this trend line. Yeah, I moved out from this trend line because it was a 4-hour trend line. It was so valid, 4-hour trend line here. You can see how clearly that trend line is there. So there is no way I would hold my trade past this point. And when I just saw these huge candles, it was a real confirmation for me to jump up. And you can see how the market will drop like that. Though I had another reason to sell because of this M pattern. You see this M pattern that form at that psychological level. Look at this. Trying to do the same. Short, but I did not. Yeah. So currently you can see it's doing the same here. It's trying to do the same here. These 2 points. Let me just show you. It's trying to do the same thing here and here. We had already seen the first ones as marked out as these ones. Yeah, you can see that. So that's simply how my week went on GBPUSD. That's simply how my week went on GBPUSD. So Bitcoin, I'm not going to give a clear update because I haven't been trading Bitcoin this week. I'll just let it breathe. Yeah, I'll just let it to breathe. But I've been swinging a trade on Bitcoin from the upside. But I had a buy yesterday, the other day that I got. That wasn't so interesting. There was this buy. Yeah, you can see how I just jumped in on this one because of a trend line breaker retest, just like that. So this would have been my best shot today, but I did not take it to this one, this M pattern here, but I did not take it. So I just let it go like that. But I took a trade on near, a buy trade that literally hit take profit. You can tell it hit take profit right there because of a trend line breaker retest with a W pattern and a candlestick confirmation there. So I'm still chasing the market, looking for an entry for the weekend on crypto, and I'll update you people. Oh, and another update I sent was this one. The market broke out of this trend line, just a simple retest there, and it's likely to drop further. So that's simply what I've been looking at this week. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, leave a comment, guys, and share. So thank you for listening to me. Have a great day.